Upon arriving on Cronus, General Lucas Alexander became Governor Militant and set about reclaiming the planet for the Imperium. When his enemies launched attacks on his capital, he prepared to repel them with extreme prejudice. Experts in planetary defense, the men of the Imperial Guard, were heavily dug in and fortified in Victory Bay. Any attacker would face well-armed and well-supplied soldiers, backed by powerful armored columns and artillery positions. The Guard's only real weakness was its morale. Although most soldiers served honorably, the men of the regiment's 5th Company had proven less than stalwart and were placed under command of Regimental Commissar Anton Gebet in a forward base on the northern shore of the Victoria River. Without Gebet's whip, the company and its base would surely fold. Other companies took position in forward bases in more sensitive areas, ready to drive the enemy off. Still, determined attackers could overrun those positions. Governor Alexander remained confident, however. Indeed, any opponent who made it past his forward positions would find themselves staring down the barrel of the massive Hellstorm cannon of an Imperator Titan.
Fifth Company, this is the moment of truth. You will not fear. You will not falter. You will not give a single step to the enemy.
But sir...
If you will not serve in combat, then you will serve on the firing line.
Enemies of the Imperium, hear me. You have come here to die. The immortal Emperor is with us and we are invincible. His soldiers will strike you down. His war machines will crush you under their treads. His mighty guns will bring the very sky crashing down upon you. You cannot win. The Emperor has given us his greatest weapon to wield. So make yourselves ready. We are the 1st Cronus Regiment, and today is our victory day.
General Alexander, this is your last chance. We purge this world under the authority of the Chapter Master of the Blood Ravens. Withdraw your men to orbit, and our conflict can still end peacefully.
I have the utmost respect for the Emperor's Space Marines and their millennia of service captain fuel. But my orders are explicit and come directly from Segmentum Command. I cannot withdraw.
Then the time for talk is over.
What is your... Here to serve. What is your will? I await your instructions.
Area secured. Ever vigilant.
Yes, most beneficent one.
Securing objective.
I await your instructions.
We are the Emperor. The enemy is attacking. Position secure. Moving out. Yes, my lord. Target that vehicle. One property.
I await your instructions. Yes, Lord.
This day shall be a glorious one. We accept the challenge.
Ever vigilant. Fire in the hole! Yes.
By the Emperor it shall be so.
What's your order?
What is your will?
The Emperor protects. By the Emperor it shall be so. He who stands with me shall be my
Ever
lord.
vigilant.
I await your instructions. Yes, most beneficent one. Yes, Lord. Initializing your instructions.
While the enemies of the Emperor still draw breath, there can be no peace. We are united in his service. Follow my lead.
Yes, Lord. Yes, Lord.
Taking case. Awaiting orders.
Where do you need us most?
Here to serve.
Yes.
Go, go, go!
Yes, most beneficent one. I will do as you ask, beneficent one. Initializing build
On
protocol.
alert, brothers. The enemy must
Yes,
be
Lord.
nearby.
I await your instructions. I await your instructions. Yes, Lord. As you wish. I will do as you ask, Lord. I will do as you ask. I await your instructions. Yes, Lord. Yes, Lord. Build routine 721 initiated. I await your instructions. Build routine 721 initiated. Yes, Lord. Here to serve. With all due haste. Build routine 721 initiated. Yes, Lord. I will do as you ask. Serve. Yes, most beneficent one. Initializing build protocol. Yes, most beneficent one.
Fear denies, faith is our shield.
A moment of laxity spawns a lifetime of heresy.
Yes, most beneficent one.
Under fire!
Yes, Lord. Initializing build protocol. I await your instructions.
What would you have me do?
We stand ready.
Yes, Lord? Yes, Lord? As you wish. Yes, most beneficent one. Build routine 721 initiated. I await your instructions.
Faith is purest when it is the Emperor protects.
Taking damage.
I am the Emperor's will made manifest.
Terminators ready. Into the maelstrom of battle!
My powers are yours to command.
Terminators ready. Deep striking. Your will.
Under fire. Apothecary ready.
Your will.
Praise the Emperor and strike down his foes.
The Emperor.
You won't